Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a very beautiful, cute, stylish, and never ever seen before, highly unique and eye-catchy 3D stylized patterns of hand embroidery, but at the same time, they are very easy to make. The whole game is about color combination, embroidery pattern, and the type of the art that you want to create with the help of your hand embroidery. Friends, you can use these very beautiful, cute, and little stylish embroidery patterns for making different type of creativities, for designing your accessories, for making these very beautiful patterns onto your denim, onto your shirts, onto your jackets, onto your jeans, onto your skirts, onto your blouse, kurti, kameez, peplum, and any type of the bottom or the upper that you are going to pair up. Even you can make these very beautiful floral patterns onto your hijabs, onto your abayas, onto your gowns, onto your maxi dresses. Even the beautification and the glory of these designs would be enhanced if you could make them onto your bodycon dresses as an embroidery motif. So I hope that you have get all the creative and unique ideas. Friends, I am requesting you that please do make a habit of commenting below my video in the comment section. Your comments are the only way through which we could get to know what our YouTube friends and family members want us to share in our new and upcoming videos, and what is your choice and what are your levels of interest. So, guys, with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share my video, and subscribe if you are watching my video for the very first time.